Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Steam showing games as uninstalled when you know they're still on your computer. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the window. Click on Steam and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will open up your Steam settings panel where you can adjust various configurations for your client. In the left panel of the settings window, click on Storage. This section controls where Steam looks for your games and manages your storage drives. Understanding this area is key to fixing the issue of games appearing as uninstalled, since Steam might simply have lost track of where your game files are located. Next, click the drop-down menu and select Add Drive. This is the crucial step that tells Steam to look in a new location for your installed games. By adding the drive where your games are actually stored, you're essentially reintroducing Steam to the folder it somehow forgot about. Now you'll need to navigate to the correct folder. Double-click on Program Files space x86. This is the standard installation directory for most Steam games on Windows systems. From here, double-click on Steam to open that folder. This contains all the core Steam files and directories, including where your games are stored. Continue by double-clicking on Steam Apps. This folder is specifically where all your game installation files live. It's the heart of your Steam library in terms of actual game data. Then double-click on Common. This subfolder contains all your installed game directories, with each game having its own folder inside. Once you're viewing the contents of the Common folder, click Select Folder. This confirms to Steam that this is the location where your games are installed. Steam will now scan this folder and recognize all the games that are present, effectively reconnecting them to your library. This process might take a moment as Steam indexes all the game files it finds. After the folder has been added and Steam has finished scanning, navigate to the top menu and click on Library. This brings you back to your main game library view where all your games are listed. In the left panel, find the game that was previously showing as uninstalled, right-click on it, and then click Play. Steam should now recognize that the game is installed and launch it without any issues. And there you have it, your game should now be properly recognized by Steam again. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.